What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. It's going to be another scorching day, 92 today. The problem with it being so hot lately is that most of the ponds that you go to are just covered with nothing but moss and algae. And that's why many of the lures, unless you're using a topwater lure, it's just going to get caught up in all that gunk. Anyway, we're back out here. Last week I did manage to catch a catfish, and I was out here. I caught something big. I mean, this thing was big. It didn't even budge. I was fighting it out for over 15 minutes, and I still couldn't reel it in. It finally snapped the line, and yeah, whatever it was, it just wouldn't move. It just laid down on the ground, and I couldn't reel it in. I think it might be a snapping turtle, but we'll see. And whoa, caught something. Probably one of the smallest bass I caught so far this year, but caught it on a little tiny crankbait. And he got away. I was just kind of playing with it. Oh, there we go. Nope. There we go. Yep, caught something. Oh yeah. Whoa. Small little guy, but caught something. No, I got it. Thank you. A little.
What are you using as bait?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Oh.
Does this pop out?
There he is.
Ooh. I can catch you. How much pounds do you think that is? My guess is
This? Probably about a pound, 2 pounds maybe. Not too bad. First catch.
I got one that was around at a pond around here. I forget what it's called. It was around, my guess was like 10 inches.
Yeah?
And it was around 1.5 pounds based on the size compared
Well,
to
not too bad. First catch. About a couple pounds. Whoa, 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 whoa. There it is. Yeah, I'm tightening it up. There we go. Whoa. Someone's putting up a good fight here. I think it's just laying on the ground. I think it's just sitting on the ground. Yeah, I don't feel it move, but it's definitely on there. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's moving. I think it's just laying on the ground. The drag is pretty much almost completely tight, and it's not doing anything. Wow. Oh, it finally snapped the line.
Snap the line?
Yep, it snapped the line. Whatever it was heavy. Being that it's so hot lately, one of the few things that's still willing to bite is, well, are catfish. I'll give it a shot. I don't have too much chicken left, and if anything else, I'll try using shrimp. See what we can do. A couple of weeks ago when I caught that catfish, I pulled my pole right into the water. I had to jump in and get it, and I was soaking wet, covered in mud. So I'll be using something that I haven't really used in the past couple of years, which is the automatic fishing pole holder. And for those of you who've never seen this, this is a great way for it to set the hook, especially when you're using more than one pole at the same time. You just simply drive it right into the ground. You want to cast it out. Reel in some of that slack. Slide it in into the holder. And you just want to buckle it in. Then pull your line right over that trigger. There we go. Yep. Something's on the chicken, folks.
Yeah, someone came forward, your line went slack.
Funny thing is, I don't feel anything anymore. Probably stole my bait.
Yeah, like you said.
Well, good news is I still have my chicken. You keep taking pieces of it.
Yeah, these were fried on the deck, on the porch,
Yeah.
and the heat is crazy.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Okay, let's try it again here. Hopefully we can finally catch us a catfish. Whoa! There it is! Whoa! There it is! Caught something! Woo! Doesn't feel heavy, but at least we caught one. Whoa! Whoa! It's running! There he is! That looks like a catfish. There we go, folks. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, it's not big, but damn, it's putting on a fight. There he is. Probably about a good 2-pounder.
Yeah, he was big, but he was powerful.
Oh yeah, it's definitely putting up a good fight. There we go, folks. Finally, after an hour out here, caught ourselves our first catfish for today. Not a bad size, not as big as the ones that I caught about a couple of weeks ago, but still, I'm happy. Easily about a 2 pounds, maybe 3. So we'll put it on the scale and find out here.
Oh yeah, nice one.
Oh yeah,
2.5 pounds.
probably.
Let's see how close. What do you think?
I think it's probably about 2.5 pounds. Has a good weight to him. Let's see. Wow. Both of us have got it wrong.
3 1/4?
4 pounds.
4 pounds.
4.20. So almost 4.5 pounds. Not bad.
No, we're way off. No wonder he's got so much power.
Yeah.
Packing that small frame.
Yeah. Not bad. I'm happy. Well, there we go, folks. First one of the day, 4.20 pounds. Not bad, almost a 4.5 pound catfish.
Now you see why you weigh them.
Yeah,
You thought 2.5 off.
it's not much, but hey,
About straight.
wow. That's all the chicken I have left. Anyway, I think I'll probably be taking off. It's getting way too hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that like, leave your comments down below, and consider subscribing for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. You guys take care. I'll talk to you later.